Hello, how are you? Here I go. I'm going to have some microwave dry bread and call it toast. Here we go. Well, I popped them in the microwave. I'm going to try 35 seconds. Here we go. After 30, now I'm going to turn it over for the other 35 seconds, see what happens. Well, 35 seconds was not long enough. Still a little soft. I'll try maybe about another 15 seconds on each side. See what happens. Okay. Well, it's getting there. Not quite enough yet. I'll try another 15 seconds on each side. See what happens. Well, there you have it. Nice and dry. I can just go to put some butter on it and whatever. Well, here it is. Buttered and jellied. Yep. Pretty good. I did that way because I don't have a working toaster right now. So I just microwaved it dry, so I said call it toast. Huh. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. You never know what I'm going to do on this crazy channel.